President Muhammadu Buhari, stand on one side. Just stand on one side. Don't come today and tell us to forgive you for what you did to us. And then tomorrow you just come out and say you have fulfilled your campaign promises of bringing change. Don't do it. That is the last video I did where you asked Nigerians to forgive you. I said I forgive you. But you have started again. You have made me to reconsider my forgiveness. And that is what I don't want to do, but you are pushing me to the wall. How can you come out and say that you have fulfilled your campaign promises? That you have given us the change that you promised? The change you gave us is a bad change. In case nobody wants to tell you, I will tell you that the change you gave us is a very bad change. Wannan change ne? Abin da ka ba mu wannan change ne ka ce ka ba mu change, you have fulfilled your promises. You came and you said because you gave house to some people, all the things that people are benefiting. I have never benefited anything from the government. I don't know who are the people that are benefiting. You just come and you are saying you have fulfilled your promises. Look at what you are leaving behind. Look at what you are leaving behind. Look at the debt that you are leaving behind. You have left debt left, right, and center for us. We don't even know where to stand. I don't even know what's happening. We don't know how we are going to pay this money. Left, right, and center problem. People that so many people they have killed people, they have do everything to people under your watch, and you come and say you have fulfilled your. You don't know that you have in the recess you are supposed to visit all the 36 states and ask for forgiveness. Yes, in the recess that is what you are supposed to do. To do a campaign, you have to start campaigning again for forgiveness. Visit all the 36 states and say, please, I'm sorry. I know that I messed up. I know that in the 8 years I suffer you. Please forgive me. You are telling us that you have fulfilled your change from one changing it. Once then changing kakao mana. Look at the supper. How much is bag of rice before you came? How much is spaghetti? You went to just during your campaign, you hold spaghetti and your campaign is how much spaghetti? They told you spaghetti is 150. You were crying. You said spaghetti is supposed to be 18 years. How much is spaghetti now that you came? And you are talking, telling us that you have fulfilled your campaign promises. During COVID, look at what happened during COVID under your watch. During COVID, they hide Indomie, hide rice, hide this one, hide money, hide that one. Look at what you did during election. This one is not even far from us. Election, you went and print new money. The money, ma Avanza, without even now that they have released the old currency, I have not used this my 2 eye to even see the new currency. All I am seeing is the old one. They chop the money, and you are telling us that you have fulfilled your campaign promises of change. I don't understand. You come and you are just talking. You are saying you have fulfilled. Now, Allah, please, if you know you have benefited in this government, please just tell me in the comment section that you see what they did for you. The change that he said he brought. Tell me if you have experienced change. What kind of change do you experience? Bad change or good change? Because me, I did not experience good change. This one is not change. Please share this video so that everybody can tell us what they have experienced in the 8 years of Buhari as a president. I want to even know people that even benefited, because when the government are saying they have done this, they have done that, I have not seen anybody that come out and say, I follow. No. So please share this video so that we can even identify those that have benefited from the government. Let's even see them. Let's ask them how manage. How did you do it? Because we not see anything. Oh, wallah, I not see anything. Nothing reach me. Nothing touch me. So I don't know where he's coming from and saying, I have fulfilled my camp. Where they talk that one from? How did you fulfill? I don't know. So please share this video so we can even see those that have benefited. Let's count them. Let's know. I don't think there are more than 10. But if you share this video, that is where we are going to know them. Please. I know if I talk now, some people will watch this video and they will say, this one I don't have sense. I know I don't have sense. I am a senseless man that is talking. But if you listen to me well, you know that I'm making sense. So please share this video. My name is Malan Shaibu. I'm the Spice Creator. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. That is your business. Thank you very much.